Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel KNY Satish Commerce E-Classes. I hope everyone is doing very well. Now we are going to discuss about bills of exchange and promissory note objective questions MCQs of ICAI material. Okay. You can check the ICAI material of bills of exchange and promissory note. In this, we will discuss MCQs, multiple choice questions. Okay. Now, coming to the question number 1. On 1st January 2022, A draws a bill on B for 1,20,000 for 3 months time period. Maturity date of the bill will be. So, what we need to calculate maturity date? Okay. No. In this transaction, in this sentence, what is the date of bill drawn? 1st January 2022 is the date of bill drawn. What about bill amount? 1,20,000 is the bill amount. What about time period? 3 months is called tenure. Who is the drawer? A is the drawer. What about drawee? B is the drawee. Now coming to maturity date. How we can calculate maturity date? Maturity date equal to due date plus 3 grace days. Right. Maturity date equal to due date plus 3 grace days. First calculate due date. What about due date? Date of bill drawn plus time period is called due date, right? Date of bill drawn is 1st January 2022 plus time period is 3 months. They given in the question. Okay. What about this date? From 1st January 2022, you can add 3 months. 1st January plus 3, 1 plus 3, 4, April. 1st April 2222. 1st April 2022 is the due date. How we can calculate maturity date? To this due date, add plus 3 days. Now, from 1st April to 3 days, 1 plus 3, 4th April 2022 is the maturity date. Now select the option. So option C. 4th April 2022 is the maturity date of this question. Okay. Now coming to question number 2. Please read the question. On 16th June 2022, P draws a bill on Q for 1,25,000 for 30 days. So now they mention time period in number of days. Okay. 19th July is the public holiday. Okay. So don't search why 19th July is a public holiday. Just follow the question. They said 19th July is the public holiday. Then what about maturity date? So first calculate maturity date. We are getting the 19th July. Now coming to the note point. If maturity date is a public holiday, then maturity date will be preceding day, before day. What about before day to 19th July? 18th July is the maturity date. For example, 19th July is a emergency holiday, sudden holiday. Then what about maturity date? It will be next day, succeeding day. So then 28th July is the maturity date. In this question, 19th July is a public holiday. In case of maturity date is a public holiday, maturity date will be preceding day, before day. What is the before date to 19th July? 18th July. Done. Coming to question number 3. PQ draws a bill on XY for 1,30,000 on 1/1/2022. Okay. XY accept the same on 4th January 2022. There are two dates are there. One is date of bill drawn. 1st January 2022 is date of bill drawn. 4th January 2022 is date of acceptance. Okay. Tenure is 3 months. Time period is 3 months. After date, this is the important. Now, what will be the maturity date? Now, coming to, if time period is mentioned in the bill, the type of bill is called tenure bill, right? What is the time period? 3 months. So, this tenure bill can be classified into two types. That is bill after date, bill after date, and bill at site. Bill after site. Bill after site. So bill after date means due date calculated from the date of bill drawn. Bill after site means due date can be calculated from date of acceptance. Are you clear? Bill after site means due date or maturity date can be calculated from date of acceptance. So what is the date of acceptance? 4th January. Bill after date means due date or maturity date can be calculated date of bill drawn. Now tell me, in this question, what they mention? Bill after date or bill after site? They mention bill after date. So due date can be calculated from date of bill drawn. What is the date of bill drawn? 1st January 2022 plus 3 months is called due date. What about due date? 1st January and 3 months. April. 1st April 2022 is the due date. How we can calculate maturity date? Formula. Maturity date equal to due date plus 3 days. So 1st April 2022 plus 3 days. 1 plus 3, 4. 4th April 2022 is the maturity date. Please select the answer. Option A. 4th April 2022. Understood? Now, coming to fourth question. Coming to fourth question. A draws a bill on B. Okay, A is the drawer, B is the drawee. A endorsed the bill to C. What is endorsed? Transfer to third party. So A transfer to C. C is called endorsee or payee. The payee of the bill will be, who is the payee? A is called drawer, B is called drawee, C is called endorsee or payee. Payee. Now select the answer. The payee of the bill will be C. So option C. Okay. Now, coming to fifth question. A bill of 1,20,000 was discounted by Saras drawer with the banker of 1,18,800. Can you tell me what is the discount amount? What is the bill amount? First, 1,20,000. How much amount we received from the bank? 1,18,800. Then what about discount amount? 1,20,000 minus 1,18,800. That is 1,200. 1,200 is the discount amount. This is discount amount. What about this 1,18,800? Amount received from the bank. Okay. At maturity, the bill returned dishonored. Dishonor means what? The drawee unable to pay the bill amount. So in case of bill discounted with the bank deduct the bill amount and noting charges from the drawer account, and the drawee will collect amount and noting charges from the drawee. Understood? Now, so in case of bill is returned dishonored, noting charges is 200. What about noting charges? The amount payable to the notary public for noting the reasons of why bill is dishonored. Who will pay noting charges? Ultimately, noting charges paid by the drawee, but initially noting charges paid by the holder of the bill. In case of bill discounted with the bank, who is the holder of the bill? Bank. So initially noting charges paid by the bank, bank will collect from the drawer and drawer will collect from the drawee. Okay. Now, how much amount will the bank deduct? How much amount will the bank deduct from the drawer bank balance at the time of such dishonor? How much amount? Bill amount plus noting charges. What is the bill amount? 1,20,000. What about noting charges? 200. What about noting charges? 200. Then how much amount bank will deduct from the drawer books? 1,20,200. What is the option? C. Understood? I discussed many points. Noting charges means what is noting charges? Who will pay the noting charges? Initially and later. Now, coming to the next question. Question number 6. X draws a bill on Y for 3 lakhs on 1/1/2022 for 3 months. After side, just now we discussed bill after date means due date or maturity date can be calculated from date of bill drawn. Bill after side means due date or maturity date can be calculated from date of acceptance. Date of acceptance. Now, what is the date of acceptance? 1/1/2022 is date of bill drawn. Date of acceptance is 6th January 2022. So from this date to how many months? 3 months. What about due date? 6th January 2022 plus 3 months, that is 6th April 2022. What about maturity date? Add 3 days. 6th April 2024, sorry, 6th April 2022 plus 3 days, that is 6 plus 3, 9th April 2022. Select the option. So option B, 9th April 2022. Read the question carefully. What they mentioned, bill after date or bill after site? Very simple. Let's go to the next question. Question number 7th. X sold goods to Y. Here X is called creditor, Y is called debtor. In case of credit sales, 5 lakh rupees. Y paid cash 4,30,000. What is the sales amount? 5 lakhs. Okay, you can see sales amount is 5 lakhs. In this, Y paid in cash 4,30,000. So minus 4,30,000. What about balance amount? 5 lakhs minus 4,30,000. Balance amount is 70,000. Up to now, balance amount is 70,000. Okay. X will, who is X? Creditor. Creditor will grant 2% discount on the balance amount. So in the 70,000, discount amount is 2%. Discount amount equal to 70,000 into 2%. Please use the calculator, tell the amount. 1,400 is the discount. Okay. And Y request, who is Y? Drawee. Y request or debtor request X to draw a bill for balance. Now tell me your balance means what? 70,000 or 70,000 minus 400? That is the important. What is the balance amount? 70,000 minus 1,400. What about balance amount? 68,600. So on the balance amount, drawee requested to the creditor or to the drawer, draw the bill. Select the option 68,600. So option C. Okay. Next, coming to question number 8. On 1st January 2022, X draws a bill on Y for 5 lakhs for 3 months. Again, same date, same time period. Easily we can say due date equal to 1st April, maturity date equal to 4th April. X got the bill discounted. Yes, drawer got discounted on 4th January 2022. Same month, right? After 3 days, same month. At 12% rate. The amount of discount on bill will be. Excellent question. Calculation of the discount. First, write the formula. Discount formula. Discount equal to, up to getting the knowledge, you can write the formula. After getting clarity, no need to write the formula. Directly you can do the answer in the calculator. Discount equal to amount into rate by 100 into number of months from date of bill discounted with the bank to maturity date. So first we need to calculate maturity date. What is the maturity date of this problem? This bill? 4th April. When we discounted the bill? 4th January. How many months are there? 3 months are there. So remaining time period, 3 months divided by 12. 3 by 12. Now, what is the bill? What is the bill amount? 5 lakhs into rate 12 by 100 into what is the remaining time period from bill discounted with the bank to maturity date? 3 months, 3 by 12. Please use the calculator. Tell the discount amount. What is the discount amount? 15,000. So 15,000 is the discount. What is the question? Amount of discount on bill 15,000. For example, if the question is how much amount we received from the bank, not discount, how much amount we received from the bank? Can you try? How much amount we received from the bank? What is the bill amount? 5 lakhs. From this, what is the discount amount? 15,000. 5 lakhs minus 15,000. 4,85,000 received from the bank. So bank account 4,85,000. Discount on bills 15,000 to bills of exchange to bills receivable 5 lakhs. Understood? Now, coming to 9th question. Mr. J draws a bill on Mr. John for 3 lakhs on 1/1/2022 for 3 months. Okay, maturity date equal to 4th April 2022. We know we are perfect in the bills of exchange for calculating due date and maturity date, no problem. On 4th February 2022, it means after 1 month. Okay, what about maturity date? 4th April. It means before 2 months. John got the bill discounted at 12% rate. The amount of discount will be same formula. Now no need to write formula, direct you can tell the answer. Bill amount is 3 lakhs into rate by 100, 12 by 100 into remaining time period from bill discounted with bank to maturity date. When we discounted bill on 4th February. What about maturity date on 4th March? How many months are there? 2 months. 2 divided by 12. Please use the calculator. Don't use brain. You will get the wrong answer. Use the calculator. Tell me the answer. 3 lakhs into 1200, 2 by 12, 6,000. 6,000 is what? Discount amount or amount received from the bank? Discount amount. What is the question? Amount of discount. So answer is 6,000. If the question is how much amount our bank account will be debited, or how much amount we received from the bank. 3 lakhs minus 6,000. Done. So if the question is how much amount we received from the bank, 3 lakhs minus 6,000, that is 2,94,000. But here the question is discount amount, so 6,000 is the discount amount. Are you clear? Now, coming to 10th question. XZ draws a bill on YZ for 2 lakhs for 3 months on 1/1/2022. Please close your eyes. Directly you can say the maturity date, 4th April. The bill is discounted with banker, okay, at a charge of 1,000. They only said, what is the discount amount? 1,000. Please don't calculate. As I know you are perfect in the calculations, you know mathematics. I know that one. Okay, because they gave the answer. They gave the bill discount amount. What is the discount amount? 1,000. Okay. Now can you tell me how much amount we received from the bank? Total 2 lakhs bill amount. Discount amount is 1,000. Then how much amount we received from the bank? 1,99,000 received from bank. Sorry, received from bank. So bank account 1,99,000, discount amount 1,000. We know the journal entries, everything good. At maturity date, 4th April, the bill returned dishonored, drawee unable to pay the bill amount. In the books of XZ, who is XZ? Drawer. For dishonor, the bank account will be created by. First, what is the journal entry? When the bill is dishonor in the books of drawer, drawee account, debit to which account? To bank account, including noting charges. Including noting charges. Why? Sir, why noting charges? In case of dishonor of the bill, who paid noting charges? Initially, holder of the bill. Who is the holder of the bill? Bank is the holder of the bill. So bank paid noting charges. Bank will collect or bank deduct bill amount and noting charges from the drawer, that is XZ. Drawer will collect from the drawee. Okay. In this question, is there any noting charges? No, don't worry. If noting charges is not there, be happy. Noting charges will be 0. Okay. Now what is the question? The bank account will be created by how much amount? Bill amount plus noting charges. Noting charges 0. So bill amount. What is the bill amount? 2 lakhs or 1,99,000? Bill amount is 2 lakhs. Bank received is 1,99,000. But our bank account will be created by bill amount. If noting charges are there, bill amount plus noting charges, that is 2 lakhs. Option B. Now I will change the question. Noting charges will be 500. Noting charges will be 500. I'm writing here clearly. Noting charges 500. Now tell me, the bank account will be created by bill amount plus noting charges, 2 lakhs plus 500. Understood? Good. Now, coming to question number 11. On 1st January 2022, XA draws a bill on YB for 1 lakh. At maturity, YB requests XA to renew the bill, draw a new bill. The bill for 2 months at 12% per annum interest, amount of interest will. First, we will explain the concept regarding a renewal of the bill. If the drawee unable to pay the bill amount on maturity date, then he can request the drawer cancel the old bill. What? Cancel the old bill and draw a fresh bill. That concept is called renewal of the bill. In the renewal of the bill concept, the drawer charge interest. Drawer charge interest. That interest is gain to drawer. Very important question. Loss to drawee. In case of renewal of the bill, Who request? Drawee request. So interest charged by drawer, that interest is loss or gain to drawer? Gain to drawer, loss to drawee. Okay, question is not that one, ma. What is the question? Amount of interest. We calculate a discount now. Use the same formula. What is the formula? Amount into rate by 100 into. But now here extended period by 12. Extended period by 12. Now what is the formula? Interest equal to amount. What is the amount? 1 lakh into rate 12 by 100 into extended period. Extended period divided by 12. Please apply the formula. 1 lakh into 12 by 100 into. What about extended period? Please read the question. The bill for 2 months. So the drawer gave extra 2 months. 2 divided by 12, that equal to 2000. This 2000 is what? Interest. So this 2000 is a gain to drawer, loss to drawee. But the question is amount of interest will be 2000. What is the option? Option A. Very clear? No. Coming to question number 12. A bill of exchange is drawn by. Who draw the bill? Drawer or creditor? Select the option. So creditor or drawer. Who accept the bills of exchange? Drawee or debtor or acceptor, also called acceptor. Now, coming to 13th question. At the time of drawing a bill, the drawer credits. Write the journal entry, ma. What is the journal entry for bill drawn? What we are receiving? Bill. Bill receivable account debit to. Bills receivable. Bills receivable account debit to. Bills receivable account debit to what? Who is the giver? Drawee. Drawee account. Now select the option. Sir, the drawer credits drawee, na, but option is not there, na. Question is wrong or options are wrong. Read the options carefully. Drawee or debtor or acceptor. Bills receivable account debit to drawee account or debtor account or acceptor account. Select the option. What they mentioned? Debtor account. If the question is at the time of drawing a bill, the drawer debits. What is the answer? Bill receivable account. Okay. Next, coming to 14th. A promissory note is made by. Do you know the difference between bills of exchange, promissory note? Bills of exchange is drawn by the drawer, acceptance by the drawee, unconditional order. Promissory note is the promise to pay. It is made by the maker. The person who make the bill is called maker, also called debtor, and to whom the bill amount has to be paid is called payee, also called creditor. Okay, so promissory note is a negotiable instrument act. As per the act, it is a promise to pay. It is made by, it is prepared by debtor. Bills of exchange is prepared by creditor. Got it? So promissory note is prepared by the debtor or purchaser. Okay, now select the option. A promissory note is made by the not seller, not endorsee, but purchaser in these options. Now, bills of exchange contains what? Bills of exchange definition. As per Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, It is an unconditional order signed by the maker. It includes certain person to pay certain money to a person or any person, bearer instrument. 16th, promissory note contains a promise to pay. Option B, a promise to pay. Okay. Next. Coming to question number 17th. The rebate on bill shows that. What is rebate? Rebate of the bills is also called retiring bills. What about retiring bills? If the drawee pay the bill amount before maturity date, that is called retiring bill. We know in that case, the drawer give the discount. This discount is a loss to the drawer, gain to the drawee, right? So rebate of the bill means drawee pay the bill amount before maturity date. Select the option. It has been paid not after. It has been paid before the date of maturity. Good. 18th. Notary public may charge his fees from the, already we discussed. For noting the reasons of dishonour of the bill, the holder of the bill pay the noting charges, a fees called noting charges to notary public. Notary public may charge fees from holder of the bill. So option A. Who are the holder of the bills? In case of retained bill, holder of the bill is drawer. In case of discounted the bill with bank, holder of the bill is bank. In case of endorsement, holder of the bill is endorsee. In case of bill sent to bank for collection, drawer is the holder of the bill. So initially noting charges paid by the holder of the bill. Later, the drawer will collect from the drawee. Done. So these are the 18 questions, MCQs. Are you clear? So very easy. Now we will discuss some true or false questions for getting more concept. True or false questions? Please read the question carefully, then we'll get the answer. Bills payable account is a nominal account. Is it nominal account? Do you know classification of accounts? Personal account, real account, nominal account. Bills payable is a liability. We know which account. It is a personal account, representative personal account, not nominal account. So answer is false. Please make the same answer. Bills payable account is a representative personal account. Next, promise to pay. Promise to pay is including bills of exchange. No, in the promissory note, na. Promise to pay is included in the promissory note. In the bills of exchange, it is unconditional order. Order to pay. So false. 3. Days of rebate are added to due date for arrival at the maturity date. Okay. We are adding which days? Grace days. So not rebate days, grace days. So answer is false. 4th, discount at the time of retirement. A bill is a gain to the drawee. At the time of retirement, what is retirement? Drawee pay the bill amount before maturity date, then drawer will give the discount. The discount is loss to drawer, gain to drawee, gain to the drawee. So true. Next, foreign bill is drawn in one country and payable outside country. Yes, is called foreign bill. You know, types of the bills: accommodation bill, not for trade purpose, trade bills, tenure bill, demand bill, and foreign bills. Now coming to 6th, promissory note is different from bills of exchange. True. Promissory note is different. What is the difference? Promissory note is made by the debtor. Bills of exchange is made by the creditor. Next, 7th, A has drawn a bill on B. A is called drawer, B is called drawee. B accepts the same. Okay, B is called acceptor or drawee and endorses the bill to C. Who endorsed? B na? Drawee? No. Who can endorse the bill? The holder of the bill, the person who received the bill. Who received the bill? Drawer. So drawer can endorse the bill to C. So this sentence is false. A can endorse to C or any other person, not acceptor, not drawee. Coming to 8th, a bill given to a creditor is called bills payable. Yes. Who given drawer? To whom? Creditor. That bill is called what? Bills payable. So these are the true or false questions, right? I hope you understood the class. Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you later. Bye, everyone.